study about Constituent Assembly, which is called Sambhidhana Sabha. Number 1, who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru first chairman thile Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? The Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26th November 1949. सो ये मुझे कहीदे फास्ट इलेक्शन होता कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली इन 1946. फास्ट मीटिंग ऑफ Constituent Assembly is 9th December 1946. Second meeting होता 11 December 1946 and third meeting of Constituent Assembly was held in 13th December 1946. And then constitution formed होता 26th November 1949 and then constitution came into force on 26th January 1950, which is we celebrate about Republic Day. The Constitution of India was completed on November 26, 1949. So 4 number, the who presided over the first meeting of the Constitution Indian Constituent Assembly is Sachidananda Sinha. The Constituent Assembly of India started functioning from 9 December 1946. How many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution is 11. The first day session of Indian Constitution Assembly was chaired by Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. The Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. The first session of the Constituent Assembly was held in New Delhi. How much time the Constitution Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India is 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. With 395 articles, 8 schedules and 22 parts. The Constitution Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 29th August 1947. Who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The number of members included in the Constitution Drafting Committee was 7. The first session of Constitutional Assembly was held on December 9, 1946. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly of Independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Members of Constituent Assembly were elected by provincial assemblies. How many members were initially there in the Constituent Assembly of India? Is 300. During which period did the Constituent Assembly deliberate upon and finalize the Constitution of India is December 1946, November to 1949.